Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial's double box break number 1094, 1415 UD Ultimate. The last end break was the Edmonton Oilers on September 20th at 7:29 p.m. Eastern Time, 7:21 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To our current day and time, it's currently Monday, September 21st at 12:29 a.m. Eastern Time. And for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate you did. Do have a couple breaks for Wednesday, and sorry if I sound like a broken record by always going over it. Really do encourage you guys to sign up on our webpage and stuff like that. And our serial numbers tonight are 8359, 38576145, and 2449 is our serial numbers for tonight. And we'll probably just move you guys back here. 6145 and 2449. Let's click over. Okay, so here we go, guys. Number 6145. So here we go, guys. Give me a sec here. Pull up Breakers TV. So start box one off with a base card. Erik Karlsson, number 112, $2.99, going out to the Ottawa Senators. And our next one is a ultimate rookie autograph of Pierre-Edouard Bellemare, 24, $2.99, going out to the Flyers. Next hit behind that is Jonathan Drouin, the Tribute Ultimate Signatures, going out to the Tampa Bay Lightning. Jonathan Drouin, nice hit there for Tampa Bay. Drouin. Next one is the Ultimate Gear Dual Patch is a Milan Lucic, number 7 of 25. It is going out to the Boston Bruins. Lucic. And the next one is a Rare Materials Triple Jersey, Tyler Toffoli, number 98, 99 for the LA Kings. And finished box one off with a Ultimate Legends insert of Mario Lemieux, number 38, 199. The Pittsburgh Penguins. Box number 2, 2449. And this kind of looks like a good sign. It's all patchy like, or all white. And so box 2, we got base card of David Backes, number 90, $2.99 for the St. Louis Blues. Our next one is a ultimate rookie autograph of Griffin Reinhart, number 1 of $2.99, going out to the Islanders. Griffin Reinhart. Next one, going out to the Edmonton Oilers, we have a signature masterpiece of Leon Draisaitl. Draisaitl, I think is the proper way of saying it. Draisaitl, the Edmonton Oilers. And right behind that one is a Ultimate Gear Dual Patch of Curtis Joseph, number 1, 25, going out to the Arizona Coyotes on this one. Cujo, Coyotes. Let's turn that around just to show you guys. That's for the Coyotes. Next one is the Ultimate Gear, just dual jersey of Daniel Sedin for the Canucks. And finish the break off with a tribute base of John Tavares, number 66, 150. Going out to the New York Islanders. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we got quad 13-14 Ultimate tomorrow, and boxes 5 and 6 of Premier out of the Master Case.